Welcome back, Drink Stuff fans. In this video, I've got a very special punch recipe. This would be my go-to punch recipe for special occasions, whether that's Christmas Day, whether that's New Year's Eve, whether that's a birthday, a summer party. I think this is absolutely amazing. I love it. It's kind of a gin-based raspberry and elderflower punch. Couple of ways I'll talk you through of how to flip it up if you want to, and you can experiment on your own. But this is absolutely phenomenal. So as it's a special occasion, I'm going to go for my kind of favourite punch bowl. I featured this in another video. This is amazing from Drink Stuff. Comes with 12 of these little glasses. Let's get that the right way around. They'll just hang off the side there. Absolutely amazing. You get the little ladle with it as well. Let's just hang that on there. And then you get the little stand as well. And this is just brilliant. As I say, brilliant for a special occasion. There you go. How's about that for a centerpiece? Right, now we kind of need to fill it up. So let's crack on with this recipe. Very, very simple, gin based. I'm going for just a, I don't want to make this too expensive for you. I want to make it nice and easy. So I've just gone for my kind of favourite sort of London dry gin. It's cheap as chips, lots of nice sort of juniper notes in there. You don't need to go too expensive with your gins, but as I say, if you want to flip this up with a raspberry gin or anything like that, be my guest. So I'm going for a bottle of decent London dry gin in there. All the recipes will be below in the description as well, and I'll also sort of break it down if you want to make one of these. But this should make us just about sort of, by the time it's iced up, about 4 litres of punch, which would be perfect for parties. So, bottle of gin in there. Next ingredient I want is a decent kind of raspberry liqueur. I've just got bowls here because, again, that's nice and cheap. If you want to splash out a little bit, you could do a little bit of Chambord there as well. There's plenty of other kind of raspberry liqueurs on the market. And this is a 500ml bottle. That's a 700ml bottle. This is a 500ml bottle. So I want the whole bottle here of raspberry liqueur. So that, again, you could go 2 bottles of gin, raspberry gin liqueur if you wanted to, or raspberry gin liqueur, anything like that. But that's just, easy. £8-9 bargain. Decent London dry gin, even a supermarket London dry gin, you're talking £12-14. Absolutely bargain basement. So I've got a bottle of gin, a bottle of raspberry liqueur, which is 500ml. I'm going for some lemon juice. Again, I bang on about this from Drink Stuff all the time. Let's pop that there so you can see that. Much cheaper than buying, if we can open it, much cheaper than buying actual lemons. You can't juice that amount of lemons for that price, 6 or 7 quid from Drink Stuff. Just need to measure this out. I want 250ml, so it's 5 doubles in here. And the 5th one, bit of jump cutting. There we go, so 250ml of lemon juice in there. I'm going for, just again, an elderflower cordial. I wanted to show you cheap as chips because this is about £3. However, in a normal world, if I was making cocktails, this is what I do get from Drink Stuff. Absolutely love that. ODK's elderflower syrup, if you like. Nothing wrong with that at all. But again, I'm going the same. 500ml. 250ml, so 5 doubles. There we go. 4. There we go. 5. I think that was 5. 4? 5? Oh, we won't know until we watch that back. There we go. I think that was 5 anyway. And then I've got, found this in the supermarket as well. I was actually going to go for a rosé Prosecco because I thought that would be quite nice. But then I saw that, and do you know what? I thought, oh, that'll be fun. Let's do a normal Prosecco and raspberry fizz. This is a 750 ml bottle. Again, depending on the size of your punch bowl, I was going to do about 250ml of this to keep it nice and easy, so 5 doubles. But if you wanted to do half a bottle, if you wanted to do a whole bottle in there, no great dramas. Number 4, there we go. So I've gone 250ml. And then the final ingredient I'm going for, well, actually, the final bit of liquid I'm going for is just a decent bottle of Prosecco. This is a Frizzante. It's even cheaper than Prosecco because it's slightly less gas, and I kind of use that quite a lot. So I've just gone for a whole bottle, 750ml of. See what I mean? Frizzante is great because it doesn't sort of froth up and fizz up. We get a little bit at the end. Look. Right, So that is the base. A couple of little things I'm going to do to kind of pimp this up very, very slightly. I've got these as well. We've got poppable drink shimmers. You can get loads of these random kind of things on Drinkstuff. I've got gold, I've got bronze, I've got silver. They don't really alter the flavour too much, but they just give a nice little bit of sparkle. And I'll be honest, I don't actually know which one I'm going to go for. I'm going to go for the silver one. And as this is quite big, I would normally use half a bar spoon in a cocktail, but as this is a big punch bowl, I might go for a couple of, there we go, a couple of spoons and give that a little stir. There we go. I don't know whether you'll see that on a close-up. Does add an amazing kind of shimmer to the cocktail. Hopefully you'll see that. I might add one more for luck. There we go. Get that really cool, and that gives it that little bit of sparkle. So there we go, that's my shimmer. And then just to garnish up, I'm just going for whatever fruit takes your fancy. I've got some chopped up strawberries here. Let's pop those in. I've got some raspberries here. Let's pop these in. I've got some chopped up oranges and some lemons. Let's just pop those in there. Bit of stray mint, we don't want that. And there we go. And obviously we're going to ice that down. So just whack some ice in there. But that is my kind of lovely, I absolutely love this. This is so delicious. Raspberry and elderflower gin-based punch. Absolutely superb, especially with that shimmer in there. Hopefully, if I stir it, you'll see it on the close-up. I'm hoping. Really cool. But there you go. Let me know what you think of that. That's my final one. Let's just do this. Absolutely amazing. Let's get a couple of berries in there as well. That one and that one. Perfect. There we go, boys and girls. Enjoy that. Rock that out on a special occasion. And I will see you in the very next video. Cheers.